Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study math with AI. AI tools can revolutionize your math learning by offering personalized support. They provide instant feedback on your problem solving, helping you understand where you went wrong. You can also generate an unlimited number of practice problems, perfectly matched to your current skill level, ensuring you always get the right challenge. This approach makes learning more efficient and engaging for everyone. AI is excellent for truly understanding math concepts. You can ask it to simplify complex topics, breaking them down into easier-to-digest explanations. If you're stuck on a problem, AI can provide detailed, step-by-step solutions, guiding you through each stage. Furthermore, it can offer various teaching styles or analogies, helping you find the perspective that clicks best with your learning style. For effective practice, AI is an invaluable resource. You can generate an endless supply of practice questions for any math topic you need to master. When you make a mistake, AI provides immediate error correction and helpful hints, guiding you toward the correct answer without just giving it away. It also analyzes your performance, pinpointing your weak areas so you can focus your efforts where they are most needed. Beyond basic learning, AI can assist with advanced studies. Use it for exam preparation by generating simulated tests that mimic real conditions. You can also collaborate with AI to explore complex mathematical theories, gaining deeper insights. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, along with other great deals. AI truly offers a comprehensive approach to mastering mathematics at any level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.